Hello, and welcome to another episode of Mike's Laboratory. Today we're going to do a couple of pin vise drill and pin repairs and also show off my new toy. Venture Team Drag Bike Action Pack. Picked this up real cheap. Awesome shape. Nothing missing. Only problem is one of the handlebars is broken off. Relatively simple fix. I'll be trying out a new kind of super glue. This was recommended to me by a guy at Hobby Lobby. Says it works pretty good. I also used it on some cracks on some G.I. Joes I was restringing and fixing up. Oh, the knee cracks and cracks in the arms and the forearms, and it seemed to work pretty good. Time will tell. We're going to try it out on this, and this is what else we'll be using today. Little pin vise, little drill on the end, and we'll take a piece of baling wire cut off of here, and we'll use that to add a little reinforcement and some of this glue, and it should be good as new. So without any further ado, let's begin. By the way, the concept of the action packs, although I think they're pretty cool when you put them together and you put a figure on them. I mean, I'm sure other people have asked this question. Why? Why would you not just ride the vehicle instead of carrying it on your back? My God. Oh well, it was the 70s. Anyhow, I mean, they gave us disc golf. Alright, so let's get started here. Let's see, get the camera in there. And we want to get right in the middle. I already picked a vise that's about the same diameter as the baling wire. And you just kind of want to put a little pressure on it. And make sure you're in the middle, which is the most important thing. Slowly and carefully is the key. And you don't have to run it in there very far. I'm probably going to shoot for maybe, I don't know, 1/8 of an inch. Something like that. There we go. We got it right in the middle. Come on, get back in there. And these kinds of things are very easy to fix as long as you have both pieces and somebody hasn't tried to glue it back on there without any reinforcing pin a million times. I've done this on several other things. I believe I put out a video on it. Whoops. On fixing some of these others as well. And you know, this stuff is 45, 50, 55 years old now. There's going to be issues. But again, I don't shy away from buying stuff that's got minor issues because most of the time you can fix it. Okay, that should be plenty deep enough. Alright. Let's set this piece aside. Everybody can see that, right? Yep, okay. This one's going to be a little trickier. I have done this before with using a Dremel tool. These little drill bits. But although it works, I also found that it's real easy to melt too big of a hole because of the speed of the drill in this old plastic. So I kind of stopped doing that. Went out and picked this up. And although it takes a little longer, it's a lot easier on the part. Again, slow and easy is the key. A little bit at a time. Oh, and I should also offer my apologies for not coming out with a video for so long, but I've been involved with some other projects. I promise I'll get back on a regular schedule. I'm also going to do some more organization of my YouTube channel so that the videos are better labeled and easier to find. Okay, I think that should be about enough. Maybe a little more. That's Dusty you hear back there. She's whining because I'm not paying attention to her. Hi, Duster Kitty. What you doing there, pretty girl? Yes, I know. Come on down. Get down. Come on. Okay. Yes, I know, cat. Oh, these people need me too. They need my help to see how to do this stuff. Okay, down you go. Sorry about that, folks. Okay. That must have been pretty boring watching me do that, but I'm sure you get the idea. Okay. Now we're going to take piece of baling wire, these handy dandy nippers. These are good for all kinds of stuff. It's probably a little long. Let's go like that. Okay, let's try that again. There we go. All right, now first thing we're going to do, we're going to stick it in there, see how much protrudes. Okay, take this glue, oops, better make sure this is flat first, straight first. That's better. Good enough. Okay. Take the glue. Just a little bit. Into the hole. Stick your reinforcing pin into the hole. Give that a few seconds to dry. Then we'll test fit the other side and make sure that the pin's the right length, and if not, we'll cut it, straighten it out as need be. All right, we're going to pause her for a sec. Be right back. Okay, we're back. Glue appears to be dry. Let's see how well the fit is. Take our broken off piece, fit her on there. Looks like we got it straight. Just need to cut a little bit of the wire off. Okay, we'll do that. Yeah, right about there looks good. And we'll put it on there again. Yep, good fit. Okay, next step's pretty obvious. Take the glue, a little bit so it goes down the hole, a little bit on the surface. This stuff, you don't want to overdo it, because it's a form of super glue, and it will get all over the place, and it sticks to your hands, and it sticks to anything it touches, and it bonds your skin, and it just kind of sucks. All right, and we'll just hold that together. A few seconds to start bonding here. There we go. Cap up the glue. Alright, we'll set that aside and let it dry. Looks like it'll be good as new. Alright, well, that's it for this one. I'm going to hit the off button and start up on another video, which is a real similar project. I just want to have it as two videos. I'm going to make a oar for my rescue raft. I have the set without the oar, and I could not find one anywhere that was unbroken. And so this is a reproduction 40th anniversary oar. Quite honestly, I forget which set it came out of. I have a few of those sets, but we're going to cut this baby off and do the pin trick again without glue, and then we should have a two-piece oar for our rescue raft. Stay tuned. We'll be back in a little bit.